Hey, good morning, everybody. Sorry. And this live is going to be in English. Just to say good morning to everybody. Oh, well. So it's just me in the live, but it's a pop live. I didn't announce that I was going to be live this morning. Um, Usually I work from home. I've been working from home since March 2020 due to COVID-19. So I have the luxury to work from home. But it's painful at time because you wake up every day, you do the exact same thing every day, is the same routine. And I have two dogs at time. When I'm on in conference meetings, teleconference, they want to be in the meeting, they want to be on my lap, and it's very, very, very annoying. So um I wanted to say good morning to everyone and thank you so much for being my followers. Thank you to like this page. And as you know it all, I'm working for you. And soon, pretty soon, the website will be up. As you can see, I have a sweater on. It's very chilly today compared to Sunday. And also even have my heater on, but I like to keep my windows a little bit open, to crack my window open to let some fresh air coming in. So to all my English speakers, I wanted to say hello. This live is going to be in English only. This is for my English speakers because you may notice it. My Facebook page is very diverse. We have people who speak Spanish, people who speak French, people who speak Creole, people who speak French, even people all the way to India. So it's very diverse, and I believe in diversity. I believe that the world is one. We are no different than anybody else. Yet, our skin may be black, our skin may be white, our skin may be yellow, but deep down, we are all the same. We have the same blood. We have 10 fingers, 10 toes, nose, eyes. We are all the same. So I believe in diversity. I believe that we are no different than the next person. So this is it. Have yourself a good day. Please, 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 please invite everybody in the group to like the page and to follow the page. And the website is going to be Chic and Shock. Chic and Shock, very simple but pretty. It's a dating matching website where we will find your date, a man, a woman, and hopefully there will be some weddings. So have a good day. Love you all. Bye bye.